Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 2nd to the 14th. November 2nd to the 6th. The pattern remains pretty much unchanged since yesterday. We still have our ridge here over the eastern Pacific and along the west coast. And we also have above normal heights here across the eastern U.S. and a trough in between. Now, rain is forecast across the east late in the week. Widespread rain is forecast for the Mississippi Valley into the week, late in the weekend into next week. And heavy rain and higher elevation snows are forecast across the northwest. And this will gradually spread into the Rockies through the weekend and into early next week. Temperatures will be below normal across the central and portions of the eastern states under the trough, and above normal temperatures are forecast across California into the Great Basin due to the ridge. Currently, we have negative geoheight anomalies here, with below normal temperatures dominating eastern North America, with positive height anomalies and above normal temperatures dominating western North America, you can see as we see here. However, next week the pattern is predicted to weaken and retrograde, allowing below normal temperatures to be pulled back westward into the western U.S. So for this period for November 5th to the 9th, this trough that was over here is now more towards the west central states. We still have a ridge and a trough across this area here. Now, one thing to note, the AO index is forecast to be near neutral next week with the weak geoheight anomalies across the Arctic. Weak geopotential height anomalies across Greenland and Iceland, as you see here. You see right here. And the NAA will likely remain close to neutral as well next week. And we'll look at the NAO. See, it's near neutral. So during this forecast period, we are expecting 5th to the 9th. We will have a ridge across western North America, as you can see, and we have a trough across the west central states with more ridge along the east coast. Here's our ridge here, and we'll have above normal heights here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees above normal, with some areas in the west can experience greater anomalies. You can see here. Parts of California, desert southwest, 12 degrees above normal. And then we have below normal temperatures here and forecasted anomalies of 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, which map is this? Yeah, this is the right map. I'm forecasting above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%. The lighter greens are 35, and as you go up to dark green, the higher the chances are. And I'm forecasting below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Now we're going to look at the period for November 10th to the 14th. And the trough in the east expected to retrograde into the western U.S. with the ridge with above normal heights in the east. You can see here. So then we're going to go now to the 14th. You can see the trough is more here. We have a ridge here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this region here. I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees below normal and above normal temperatures for a large area of the nation here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%, and then above normal precipitation is forecast from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, and I'm forecasting the probability of occurrence to be 35 to 45%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 2nd to the 14th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.